Hey guys, as you all know, there's only 2 Pokemon cards. Oh yeah, we have some of these will be used from the device though. Yeah, we have good ones. Yeah. So please enjoy this video. I hope you like it, and the new intro. And I hope you like the new intro. Oh yeah, Ratchet versus Wallace. Oh boy. Oi guys, how you all doing today? You all doing today? Yeah. Yeah. Very good today. Hope you had a Pokemon battle stuff like that. So they begin to have a fighting. So challenge you to Pokemon battle. Hope you like it. No, no one can beat me, though. And sure, no one can beat me. Yeah, no one can beat me. Let's fight. 3, 2, go! Crimson Storm. Black Hero. Fury Shock. Not 100. Moon Attack. 110. Dragon Flame. Destructive Fate. You know what? Well, wait. He's paralyzed, so yeah. Go! Mega Salt Blade. Moonsault Blade. Go White Hero. Ice Bloom. Moonsault Blade. Go down. Dragon Shade. Molecular. Oh! Komodo. Ultra Upper. No, I'll wait for that. You know what? Shred. Go kill him. Hail Blizzard. Ultra Uppercut. Giant Whirlpool. 2-turn bases. Mamma mia! Mamma mia! What is this doing here? I don't know. Alright. You like it. Giant Whirlpool. That's 3, that's 4 down. Characters. Huh? Went to the police. Oh, let me continue the battle now. Haha, here it comes. Mega Evolve! Big Bang 180. Bullet. Now that's one left. God rush. Oh, it's time for you to die. Now it's 100. Oh! Oh! Destroyed. Good moves out there. Today, how you doing? Oh, yeah. Very cool. First win. Return. What are we waiting here for? Great, now we alright, we found another winner. Haha, we found a winner! Ratchet versus Ratchet defeated Wallace. No! Yeah. Finally go home. We can finally go over stuff.
I'll kill you, you Ratchet.
Well, sounds like I won this game. Sounds like I won the game. This first battle. Sounds like I won the first battle. You didn't really... Although you did deserve that. Well, anyone wanna go home? I'm just... Me, I'm just getting tired. I bet you think. Sounds like we're good to go.